The last tool is the style, which is the thing that Klap is most proud of, and it's the main focus of the whole app, to create captions that are bold and help make the short engaging. So let's take a look at it. At the top of the style, you have options to choose from styles they crafted for you. But if you want to create a preset that is just for you and use it each time you create new videos without changing it every time or trying to remember which style you liked, then you can work around with all the options on this page and then click the plus button. It will open a pop-up where you can give this style a name. You can also click to set it as your default style, so it will be used on every future short you generate with Klap. You can see that you have two tabs, one for the styles they crafted for you and one for your styles. If you click the three dots when you're on a specific style, you can edit that style so it will stay that way for the next time you use it. Or you can delete the style. You can do that only for the styles you created. When you change anything in the settings, you'll see the Save button becomes bold. When you click it, you have the option to save that style or save it as a new style. Let's see the options you have for editing the style of the video. First, you have the caption, which is the focus of Klap. You can change the size, the position, the fonts, and the color. Anything you see here, you can change and see it in the middle. You can also add a shadow or a line around the text. Then you have some more designing options like making the text appear as 3D and choosing how many words will be in one sentence and how many sentences will be shown at the same time. This is important if you want to have fewer or more words on the screen than what you currently have there. You can make the text transparent if you choose to set it to less than 100%. If you change it and want to go back to the original setting, you can click the Undo button next to the transparency scale. Then you can choose to show the text as one sentence per caption slide, or you can show it one word at a time. I think showing one word at a time is too much change for the eyes and can be confusing, especially for people with ADHD. You have None or Spring, which shows the highlight bouncing up and down. For highlighting the text, you also have more options. None will not show any highlighted text. The next one is to show the word with color. Next to it is by line, or you can highlight with a box in the background of the text. If you don't want to show the text at all, you can switch the button anytime at the top of the settings. It scrolls down with you, so you don't need to go back to the top to close the captions. If you like to highlight the text each time with a different color, you can click the plus button and it will add more colors. To change the color, click the color, and you will see some options. If you want to choose it yourself, you can click the colorful icon and then pick a specific color or even enter the hex code for it. Now you have some more styling options. You can turn the emojis on or off from here. If you turn them on, you can change the style, the size, and the position of the emojis on the screen. If you like to add a logo or something to the video, you can use the overlay. This image is going to show on the whole video. After you upload it, you can change its size and position to where you want it to show on the video. And the last thing is the title for the video. It is going to show at the beginning of the video as a title. You can change the position of the title, and you can go to the timeline and change how long the title shows in the video. If you don't like it, you can ask to change it to something else. You should know that the style you set is going to show on the whole video. You can't change it between scenes. Whatever changes you make in the editor will save immediately. If you like to go back while you're in the editor, you can click the Undo button, but after you close the video and go back to the dashboard, you can't undo the parts you edited before you close the window. In the next video, I will show you how to publish the video directly to your socials from Klap without the need to export the video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.